haul. Today we're going to be doing another Trader Joe's haul. I was out of a bunch of food in my refrigerator and pantry, so I decided to go to Trader Joe's and get some food for the next couple weeks. Trader Joe's has a lot of really fun fall seasonal things out right now, so I did get a couple things that are only there for a limited time. If you want to check them out, I highly recommend them. And if you want to see this haul and see my previous Trader Joe's haul, then check out that video as well as some of my other videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see some more grocery hauls. And if you want to see what I bought, then keep on watching. So first up, I just got some ground turkey. Usually I'll make this at least once a week in some form of a recipe, so I did get two. I'll put one in the freezer and use one this week. Last week I did make some zoodles with like a ground meat sauce instead of meatballs. I don't really understand meatballs because you just cut them up anyways, so it's a lot easier to just make like a ground meat sauce. So I think I'm gonna make that recipe again. It was really delicious. And I can make a video on that if you guys are interested. It was super easy, healthy, and really yummy. Next up, I got this Cabernet beef pot roast. This is something new I've never tried, but pot roast sounded really good with the weather being nice and cold out. Just really comforting and yummy this time of year, so I wanted to try this out. It's so easy. You literally just toss it in the crock pot with some water. I'm gonna add some potatoes and carrots, which I did get. They're somewhere in this bag, so I will find those, but I'll let you guys know how this turns out. Next up, I got some of my favorite frozen meals that are just super quick and easy when I don't know what to make. This shrimp stir fry, I buy it all the time. It's so delicious, easy, and healthy when you don't know what to make and you just want to whip something up really quick. So I usually get one or two of these. These Southwest chicken quesadillas are also really easy and delicious. You just put them in the microwave for a little bit and then saute them in, or not saute them, you brown them in the pan to make them a little crispy, and they're super yummy. I usually serve them with a little taco sauce on the side. This cauliflower gnocchi, delicious. I heard great things about it. I bought it last time and I'm a believer. It is so good and so healthy. It's completely cauliflower based, and you just saute it in a pan with a little bit of sauce on top of it, and delicious, easy, healthy meal when you need something just in a pinch. Next, I bought this organic superfood pilaf. I've also heard really good things about this. I've never tried it, but it has quinoa, sweet potatoes, kale, and carrots. So another really healthy, easy, like lunch or dinner option when I don't know what to make. Next is one of my seasonal items. This is the butternut squash mac and cheese. I had to try it. I mean, fall is here. They had all their fall stuff out. It was tempting me. I've never really had butternut squash mac and cheese, but again, I've heard really good things, so I figured I would try this. I'll let you guys know in the comments below how it turns out. Next up, I got this broccoli and kale slaw salad. This is really easy just to toss in my lunch bag for work. Sometimes it's cheaper to buy like a big bag of salad and make your own, but these kits are so easy and they're really not that expensive for what it is. It has everything in it, the dressing, all that, so I don't end up wasting things that go bad. So I really do like buying these for work. Next, I just bought some baby mushrooms, some heirloom tomatoes. I use those a lot in like egg scrambles. Got some carrots that I can eat and I'll toss in my pot roast. Got some tricolor potatoes for the pot roast. Blackberries, these are really my favorite fruit. I always tend to buy them this time of year, though they're starting to become out of season, so we'll see. These look really good, so I did buy them. Then I just bought 2 Bartlett pears. They're not ripe yet, but next week they will be. Then I bought this little 6-pack of yogurt. These are perfect size for lunches. I know these are probably geared towards children, but I think they're delicious. This is the bananas and cream and the strawberries and cream. So I usually buy some form of yogurt for my lunch. I was all out of coffee creamer, so I did get some vanilla coffee creamer. This is just the lactose-free coffee creamer. It's really good. Next up, I bought this Ezekiel cinnamon raisin bread. I'll just stick this in the freezer and then take it out in the mornings when I get off work and make some toast. I've been eating a lot of bagels lately and not good, so I decided to try something a little bit healthier. So this is really good in place of a cinnamon raisin bagel. I can do cinnamon raisin Ezekiel bread, get some more protein, and just put a little cream cheese or peanut butter on it, and I'm good to go. So next up, I bought these Simply Nutty bars, dark chocolate, walnut, peanut, fig, and date bars. These are delicious. These are probably my favorite granola bars that Trader Joe's has. So I usually stock up and we'll get 2 of them while I'm there, just because I don't go to Trader Joe's all the time. So I got 2 of those. Got some more coffee because caffeine is life. If you're a nurse, you know you need your caffeine, especially if you work night shift. So got some coffee. I got some more tomato basil pasta sauce. This again for those zoodles and meat sauce. I think I'm gonna make that again. Next up, for a couple more seasonal items, this pumpkin bread and muffin mix is my absolute favorite. It is so good. I live for this time of year at Trader Joe's, and I always stock up on these. So I made this, I bought 2 boxes last time, made 1 already. I have 1 more in my pantry, so I decided to get another one, so I always have 2 on hand. I'm trying to be good and not make it every week, but so yummy. Next up, I got these Cocoa Baton little cookies. These are really good if you want just something sweet and on the go. They're not too bad for you. A serving size is 2, and they're pretty good. Another seasonal thing I got that I wanted to try was this pecan pumpkin instant oatmeal for a quick and easy breakfast. I love pumpkin flavored things, if you can't tell, so I decided to pick this up and try it. I've never had it, but I saw it and it was calling me. These everything pretzel slims are also one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. I'll usually just put a little baggie of these in my lunch and snack on them throughout the night. So the bags are pretty small, so I did get 2 of those. Next, I got some smoked turkey breast and some Havarti sliced cheese. I was gonna make some turkey sandwiches for lunches next week, so I got that. And I got my zucchini squash for some zoodles that I'll make, and anything that's left over I'll probably just make as a vegetable on the side for another meal this week. Usually you only need about like 1.5 zucchini to make enough zoodles for the recipe. And then lastly, I just got some organic hummus that I can eat with carrots. So that will be a good snack or something I can bring for work. So that is everything, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul with me. If you want to see more of my videos, like I said, I would love for you guys to subscribe and check them out. I will be making more grocery hauls and other lifestyle and cooking and cleaning videos here on my channel. I would love for you to check out my other content and leave a comment below with your favorite fall recipes or your favorite items from Trader Joe's. I love trying new things, so I would love to hear from you guys. So make sure to check back soon for more videos, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.